Heavy, high-intensity rainfall, once unknown in these parts, is attributed to accelerated melting of snows in the upper reaches of the Himalayas. Water volumes in rivers have multiplied many-fold. Add to that ecological degradation, uncontrolled, grossly unplanned construction, denuding of mountains, encroachment of lakes, and the concoction has turned into a vicious one. The Kashmir Himalayas are home to some 60 of the 327 major glaciers. They contribute 75% of the water in the Indus Basin. Climate change is drastically eating away at these glaciers.